This week's feast.
Bendy and the Ink Machine's bacon soup. What's up, everybody? Welcome to this week's Feast of Fiction. Ashley has just had a child, so we've got Josh Yelkin from The Josh Yelkin here.
That's right.
As our special guest, and Josh is a master of making delicious and simple meals. So what we got coming up today?
We are going to be making our variation of a bacon soup.
Obviously, everyone loves bacon. Putting it in a soup, but never letting you see it in the game, that's just rude.
Yeah, it's trifling, arguably.
Yeah, and you want to eat that bacon soup.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make that bacon soup so you can put it in a can, slap a label on it, and all your dreams are gonna come true.
Bacon's your uncle.
If we're making bacon soup, then we're gonna need a lot of bacon. The process we are using to cook the bacon today is by cutting it into small bite-sized nibbles and then cooking it in a pot on low heat. We don't want it to burn, so cook it all the way through until it's soft and delicious. Since all we know about this soup is that it contains exquisite vegetable soup, spices, and soft bacon, we're gonna make a vegetable medley that will do what we think all good soups should do: warm the belly and nourish the soul. After all, it's exactly what I would want to come from me in this dark and twisted world. Cut up your onions, carrots, celery, and potatoes to roughly the same size and mince your garlic. Now that the bacon is ready, add your onions, then your celery and carrots before mixing it all together. Now once your veggies have softened, add the garlic, salt, pepper, and continue to combine. Finally, our potatoes enter the mix along with crushed tomatoes, and we'll top it all off with vegetable stock and some bay leaves before stirring and letting it cook. Hot off the press bacon soup. Smells incredible. Now just add it to an empty can, let it completely cool, then print out the label and glue it around the can. And voila! The super collectible, incredibly delicious bacon soup from Bendy and the Ink Machine. Honestly, we're pretty glad this soup exists, mostly because you never get the satisfaction of eating it in the game itself. So until we find out more details about what's in this mysterious can, we'll just have to make do with this fresh version of it instead. Bon appetit!
Delicious soup from us to you.
Whoa. No joke.
No joke. That is tasty.
That soup took us, that's like a real-time half-hour soup. Pretty good for that half hour.
30-minute soup. Everything is cooked. Everything is delicious. The bacon. It's making my world go black and white. How good it is.
To think this has been on the shelves for so long,
Yeah.
yet it's so good. I think it's like a fine wine.
I do too. It
gets better with age.
I kind of love it. Bacon just has so much flavor. Not to mention everything in here was cooked with the bacon, essentially. Like with the bacon fat and the bacon grease and everything came off it.
You start with the bacon and then you work your way backwards.
Wow. Good stuff, Josh.
Thanks, man.
You know, if I only had canned food and this was my option, not bad.
I'll take it. Like zombie apocalypse style, you have canned bacon soup.
Bacon in the apocalypse?
Yeah.
We could only be so lucky. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you again, Josh, for being on the channel. And Ashley said, you know what? Make sure you go check out Josh Yelkin from The Josh Yelkin at youtube.com/TheJoshYelkin.
That's right. You know who you'll find there? Josh Yelkin.
The Josh Yelkin. He's done awesome mashups of food, and we're going to bring a lot more of that flavor and style to Feast of Fiction. So if you liked the simplicity and the beauty and the tastiness of these recipes, you're going to want to stick around for more. Hey, and don't forget, leave a comment below. Tell us what you want to see us make next. What do you want to see us make next?
Wait, were we gonna take dumplings and like chicken chow mein and kind of slam them together to make chicken chow mein dumplings? Isn't that something in our near future?
Yeah, ji cao mian. That's how you say chicken chow mein in
Ji
Chinese.
tom yen.
Yep, close. Getting there. But when we make it, he's gonna be fluent.
Yeah.
See you next time.
Bye.